The Mayor set out his long-term vision for London in his transport strategy, which was published in the summer for consultation, and the final version will be out in spring of 2018. And that basically sets out a vision for London to be a zero-carbon city by 2050, which would require all vehicles on the streets of London to have zero emissions at the tailpipe. So it's it's a long way off, but it does set the direction that we want to see the industry going in. Clearly, the two technologies that would meet that requirement are battery electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles as well. LoCITY is TfL's commercial vehicle programme, basically set up to help fleets transition into alternative fuels from current sort of diesel vehicles. Basically, it's an industry-led programme, which means we want to work in collaboration with fleet operators, vehicle manufacturers, central and local government and infrastructure providers as well. And essentially, by bringing these sort of different organisations and stakeholders together, we can help overcome the challenges and the barriers to deploying alternative fuels in transport.
So we've got about 40 of the Kangoo ZEH2 vehicles with customers right now, and interest in some more coming through. Also talking to customers, they're very keen on bigger vehicles. So we're working on a 3.5 tonne transit van and looking at 7.5 tonne as well, because we think those bigger vehicles are probably a bigger opportunity, and this is with the fuel cell and hydrogen technology.
Yeah, there might be a future for hydrogen, but the trouble is the infrastructure is not in place for people to use. I mean, we're okay. Being in Dagenham, we've got the charging station in Rainham. We haven't got too far to come. But if this station is out of order, where do we go from there?
I think moving forwards, hydrogen vehicles will be certainly something that we will look at, but it could be that it's not right for our industry at the moment with the infrastructure that's in place.
Commercial is really committed to using hydrogen as a road fuel in our commercial vehicles. It just really helps us control and limit our emissions from our vehicle fleet as we deliver out to customers, and the benefits are that they really do just reduce the CO2 footprint. We've seen significant reductions across our London operations, which is brilliant.
Events like this are important for the industry to educate people, and I think it's not just educate the people, educate all levels of people, and take on board the views of all levels of people, from the top right through middle management to the bottom. Yeah, I think that's the most important thing, to get it out there. And I think if we educate people and they get more confidence in the technology, then they're more likely to adopt it.
We hear so much about the theory and the kind of the potential. It's great to hear from people who are actually driving these vehicles now, and companies that are making them, and actually end users that are actually using these vehicles. I come from the viewpoint of running an event on hydrogen fuel cells. It's been very technical and very academic in the past, and we're moving it more towards this kind of event where it's all about delivery and real life.